welcome to this Rainy Crafts podcast. My name is Raina. You could find me on Instagram and Ravelry under SF Chick. Today is Tuesday, October 24th, 2023. I just got home from Rhinebeck yesterday. So I need a couple days to process everything, and I'm getting ready for my next trip, which is tomorrow night. We're going to Philadelphia to see Depeche Mode at the Wells Fargo Center. I've had these tickets since March. I am so excited to hear Depeche Mode live and just to be in the moment with my husband. This is kind of, our anniversary falls on November 14th. So this is kind of like an anniversary getaway. I considered it. I told him, I said, just consider it an anniversary getaway. So, it'll take me a few days to regroup and wake up. So I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.